Hello students, welcome back in our digital classes. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy at home. Myself, Mrs. Ashwini Rohit Satpute from Advocate Bapu Saheb Bonde High School, Lonavala. I am a class teacher of Standard First. So children, we have finished a Diwali vacation, right? I hope you all have enjoyed Diwali vacation. Now let's start with our studies. We have just started our second term. So this is our first video for English 2 for second term after Diwali vacation. In our first term, we have finished a portion till chapter number 10. Use of has and have. Now we are about to start a second term portion, lesson number 11. Before starting, children, look around us and look around yourself. There are so many things around you, but how will you identify those things? You can identify the things by taking their names, because everything in the world has a name. All the persons, places, animals or things have names. These naming words are called nouns. So, today we are going to learn our next lesson, nouns. Everything around us has a name. People, place, animal, thing, they have names. Let us see. Girl, school, and bag. A name's given for what? Girl is a name given for person. School is a name given for a place. Cat is a name given for a animal. And bag is a name given for thing. Children, there are so many people look around us. All of them have name. Look at this picture. This is father and son. This is mother and baby. This is a grandmother. This is a teacher. And these are students. So children, father, mother, son, baby, grandmother, teacher, students, etc. These are names we use for people. The names of people are called nouns, or we call them as naming words. Even places have names simply. These around us: house, park, classroom, mall, and market. So these are the names we use for places. The names of places are called nouns. Children, do you remember the things in the classroom? Open your Bal Bharti textbook to page number 1515. What things to be seen in our classroom? A classroom is a place where children get to learn and gain knowledge with the help of teacher. Let us see which things we see in classroom. Door, window, table, projector, chair, screen, board, computer, even children. We see a duster, chalk, books, crayons, chart, etc. in our classroom. Each thing has a specific name. Kids we see around have names. For example, pencil, car, table, cup, bottle. These are the names we use for things, and the names of things are called nouns. Even children, all animals also have names. You know this? Lion, tiger, elephant, monkey, rabbit. These are the names we use for animals. And the names of animals are called nouns. Nouns, all naming words, are called nouns. Nouns are names of people, places, animals and things. Let's solve one exercise. I am going to show you some pictures and let us see which picture will come in which column. Look at the first picture. Who is he? Yes, he is a doctor. Doctor is a person, so we will write in person column. Fish. Fish is an animal, so we will write in the animal column. Now tell me children, what is this? Yes, this is a balloon. You love it, right? Balloon is a thing. So, tell me children, where we will write balloon? In thing column. Correct. Very good. Beach is the place. So, we will write in the place column. Look at the next picture. Ball. Ball is a thing. Where should we write it? Correct. In thing column. And look at the last picture. King. King is a person. So, we will write it in person column. Well done, children. Now let us identify the nouns in the given sentences. First sentence, the cow lives in a shed. Here, cow and shed are nouns. Second, the dress has pretty flowers. Tell me children, what is the noun over here? Correct. Dress and flowers are nouns. Last sentences. Ram bought a beautiful house. In this sentence, Ram and house are nouns. So children, thank you so much. Do practice at home. Stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.